Hey there! Are you excited for this coming weekend and curious to know what is happening in our city? Do remember to check it out the list of events that we have handpicked for you right here. The first event is Asialicious Carnival 2022. This is a yearly event that promotes the culture with a lot of performance, fashion and food. Gonna be held at Woodside Square in Scarborough, running from this Friday to Sunday. The second event is gonna be Caribbean Tale International Film Festival. This event promotes the talent and immersion of filmmakers from Caribbean and African heritage. They're gonna offer both online and in-person events. The third event called Celebrate Toronto is going to be happening this Saturday and Sunday at Nathan Phillips Square. It's an annual free festival celebrating our city, culture and diversity, and there will be a lot of live events, live music, food truck and lots of activity. And the fourth event is the Urban Exhibit by Toronto Art Corps, and it's a free outdoor art event happening this Saturday only from 12 to 6 p.m. It's going to be at Liberty Village under the Garden Express, and you will be able to buy art products from over 110 talented and local Toronto artists. And the fifth event is called Rolling Loud Toronto. So for those who love hip-hop, this event is for you. This is the largest event for hip-hop happening in Toronto from Friday to Sunday, and it's going to be a ticket event happening at Ontario Place. So I do hope you and your loved one enjoying this weekend. Be out there enjoying the richness of our city and stay safe.